Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on iPhone. First, head over to the App Store and search for Brawl Stars to download the game. It's a free download, so you can jump right in. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. I highly recommend creating a Supercell ID. It's a quick process and ensures your game progress is always safe, even if you switch devices. This way, you'll never lose your hard-earned brawlers or trophies. Now, let's dive into the core gameplay. You'll see a virtual joystick on the left side of your screen. Simply drag your thumb to move your brawler around the arena. On the right, there's a red button for attacking. Tap and drag it to aim your shots, then release to fire. Each brawler has a unique super ability, which charges up as you deal damage. When it's ready, a yellow button will appear. Tap it to unleash your brawler's special move and turn the tide of battle. Brawl Stars features a variety of thrilling game modes, each with distinct objectives. In Gem Grab, your team must collect 10 gems from the mine and hold them for a 15-second countdown to win. Showdown is a classic battle royale, where you'll fight to be the last brawler standing, either solo or with a duo partner. Then there's Brawl Ball, a fast-paced soccer-like mode where the first team to score 2 goals claims victory. Experiment with different modes to find your favorites. To truly excel in Brawl Stars, understanding your brawler is key. Each character has unique abilities and optimal ranges, so learn their strengths and weaknesses. Always use the environment to your advantage. Bushes provide excellent cover for ambushes or quick escapes. Teamwork is crucial in most modes, so coordinate with your allies. Finally, consistent practice will sharpen your aiming and movement, helping you climb the trophy ranks and become a top brawler. Good luck and have fun!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.